So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add bullet points here in Google Slides. So it's pretty straightforward. Once you have Google Slides open up on your device, what I first want you to do is actually press on the plus icon to add some text to your document. So go to the top right, press on the plus, then add some text by pressing text, and then type in whatever you want. So if I just wanted to type in step 1, maybe I'll press return. I'll go step 2. Return, step 3, etc., etc. So as if you're making a list. So first off, as what you can tell is it's actually pretty small. So what you can do as well is a couple different versions here. But if you want to add some bullet points, simply just press on the text right here. Then when the screen on the bottom opens up, you have a whole bunch of different options here. You actually have 3 bullet points right here. So right in between, sort of in the bottom right area, there's that fill icon and the center icon. Just go ahead and press on the bullet points right here. You can add some bullet points, and if you want to make it larger, go to the top, press on the A with the underline. Now what you can do is just make the size a little bit larger that way, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. And if you want to clear all the formatting, simply just press on clear formatting right here, and it is all done. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add bullet points to a slide here in Google Slides. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching.